of yesterday, cappuccino, cornetto, tinapay, and toast, at saka mga palaman. Enjoy! Kumuha kami ng cruise tour dito sa Santorini. Ito po yung kinuhanan namin na company. Malapit lang siya sa hotel namin. More. Turista yan? Kasama ko si Mrs. Kumuha kami ng cruise tour. Nandito na kami sa barko namin. We're having a cruise trip sa Caldera. Hindi pa tapos yung honeymoon na ipagpalit na agad ako sa iba. More, pinagpalit mo na ako kay kuya? Happy ka? Nasa bangka na naman po kami. May third wheel kami ngayon. So guys, nandito kami sa volcano. 5 euro po yung ticket. Discover, observe, amaze.
A 7 minuti da qui.
Mag-hike muna kami ngayong araw na to.
Favorite.
Pangarap namin makapag-hiking.
And ngayon, prepared ako ngayon. Tignan mo. Tignan mo. Nakasapatos.
Ayaw bumaba. So yun.
So everyone, welcome to Nea Kameni. This is the newest volcanic formation of the whole Mediterranean Sea. And this volcano field is so caldera we can see around us. This was up to 8, okay? And this eruption that happened here was at 7. To give you some context, do you know the Vesuvius in Italy? And that mountain that we can see over there behind, so that's Prophet Elias, the mountain of the Prophet Elias, after the eruption, because there was no possibility to live here. That volcano though is totally dead, it's inactive. This one though, I'm so sorry, this volcano is still active, okay? So please, let's dream, right? Because it's sleepy, you know? Let's let him sleep, because we don't want him to wake up. It's like a baby. If he wakes up, he cries. We don't want that, okay? Because we don't know when he might wake up. I wake up in 2,000 years, I wake up in 200 years, or if you want to start running, now's the time. Oh boy, everyone. If I follow this path all the way to point C, there will be 2 splitting paths though. On the first path, we go left. On the second one, imagine, we go left. So you cannot mistake, you'll see 2 craters in front of you, 1 crater behind you, 1 concrete block that says site C, and 1 bench. You cannot mistake, stop there and wait for me, I'll be doing the guide tour about the volcano there, basically. On you go. Thank you guys.
Tara.
Entonces, parablantes, acerquemos.
Hi Dora. Dora the Explorer. What do you have in your bag? Dora.
Sandwiches.
crater. Ano man tawag dito? Sa caldera. For the very first time. Matagal na po namin pangarap mag-hiking. So, ngayon po siya natutupad sa honeymoon namin.
Is hiking really fun?
Yes. Pagod na kami. Pero kaya pa naman. Pwede naman bumaba kapag hindi na kaya. Pero kakayanin. Once in a lifetime to.
Dito na tayo. It's now or
Yes.
never.
Now or never. So napagod na po si Mrs. Pagod ka na? Pwede po kayo magpahinga dito. Meron akong place where you can rest for a while and then go back to track. Tara! Guys, nakamit na naman kami ng mga kasama namin mga photographer, mga Pilipino dito. Sila from California, right?
Yes.
So thank you so much po sa inyong pag-picture sa amin. Have a nice trip. Enjoy.
Enjoy your trip.
Thank you. Bye. Guys, pababa na po kami. Sa Terracia. Bumababa na po lahat sa barko nila. Nakababa na po kami. Okay ka lang? More. So kakain muna po kami ng lunch dahil gutom na rin po kami. At
Yun lang gagawin natin ngayon kasi hindi tayo pwede mag-swim.
kakain lang po kami kasi hindi kami, ayaw namin mag-swimming kasi medyo malamig. Sila go na go sila pero kami ayaw namin. Inuubo na nga kami sa lamig dito eh. Tapos pagkakain namin, alas 3 daw kami aalis papuntang Iya. So see you guys later. Bye bye. Alligator.
Ito yung nakita natin dun sa Iyan, no?
Magkano?
9 euro. Mas mura
Sa Kamari, 17. So mas mura dito.
Pang-display natin sa bahay.
So yun guys, bibili kami ng mga souvenir. Mas malaki yung mura niya po dito sa Terracia. So kapag sumakay kayo ng kumuha kayo ng cruise at tumaan kayo dito na kayo mamili ng souvenir. Mas malaki ng konti yung mura. Almeno yung gusto na, yung at least yung gusto naming bilhin. Kaya pagpasalubong. So ganito sila magpakain dito sa Santorini. Happy?
Bodies, and they say that 194 years later they revived again, resurrected.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Santorini, a volcanic soil island. Everything you see around here was built by lavas. All those confident swimmers.
Only confident
The hot
swimmers.
springs are located to the church. Solo nuotatori forti, those with the reminding people, solo nuotatori forti e confidenti.
se avete bevuto troppo, se avete mangiato, se non
Ganda
siete
mo?
studenti che dovete uscire, se...
Naglalangoy na silang lahat. Tumatalo na po sila. Ayan, makikita niya, nakasinusot pa silang lahat. Kami, hindi kami marunong maglangoy, kaya dito lang kami sa boat. Nagdala kami ng pangligo, pero wala. Hindi naman kami marunong lumangoy. Malalim daw yung ano.
Props lang talaga yung
Props lang. So, yan. Enjoy guys. Sana all!